Controller, where is it?
Pizza is loaded. Always pizza. Oh, I'm working, Sarah. Pizza? Pizza? Yes? The remote controller, please. No, I've got it. Pizza, give it to me.
Pizza, please.
Okay, Mom. Here you are.
Here you are, Sarah.
Thank you, Mommy. Hello, good evening.
Today is very, very cold.
Of course, Nuria, it's December.
Yes, Mary.
Put your coats and scarves on.
Come on, let's start.
On Saturday in Canvas, it will be snowy and very, very cold.
It's snowing.
Look, Granda, it's snowing. Yes, Sarah, it's true. In Lashe, it will be sunny but freezing too. And in Camarillas, it will be warm but with lots of rain. What about Sunday, Nuria?
On Sunday, Canvas, it will be very, very cold. In Lashe, it will be cold and very windy. And in Camarines, it will be very cloudy. And this is the weather for the weekend.
Thank you, Nuria. Good evening.
Coming.
Hello. Hello, Lucy. Hello, Nuria. Hello, girls. Where is your Christmas tree?
The Christmas tree.
Yes, today is the 25th of December. It's Christmas Day.
Christmas Day.
Yes. Daddy, where's the Christmas tree?
Mommy. In the house, Sarah.